Para
Yes, sir. SWAT yan, sir.
dating natin.
SWAT yan, sir, na madaling araw yan, sir. Hindi naman yan, sir, na para makita ng mga bata. Pag araw, sir, naka-gowasi yan, sir, or naka-patrol shirt.
Oo, pero yun nga, yung tanggalin lang natin yung ako, siguro maintindihan mo naman ako.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Tanggalin
Yes,
natin
sir.
yan.
Mr. Chair,
Hindi
pwede magsingit?
intimidating masyado.
Sorry po,
Yes,
Mr.
go ahead.
Chair. Kasi bawal po magsinungaling dito sa committee, di pa po ba nag-oath po tayo?
Yes,
Lantara po tayo nagsisinungaling si General Torre po. Sabi po niya, wala pong checkpoint sa harap po ng compound namin. Marami po kaming footage and pictures po, nag-checkpoint po sa harap ng compound po namin. At sabi po niya po, madaling araw lang po sila nagaganyan. Umaga po, 24 hours, kahit po tutok po ang araw, nagaganyan po, hindi po magkakakilanlan, matala po ang nakikita po. Sabi po lang, checkpoint po niya, nandun po sa dulo, at pinapatatago lang niya yung mga tauhan niya doon, kasi nga maliwanag doon. Kami po naglagay ng ilaw, inilawanan po namin po sila kung saan po sila, kasi napakadilim at damuhan po sila nagtatago, sir. Kaya kinakabahan po kami, walang nameplate, wala pong plate number ang sasakyan, nakatabon po ang mukha. Paglapitan mo, hindi magsasalita. Sino pong hindi kakabahan niyan kung pulis ba yan o hindi? Kung matino kang pulis, wala kang tinatago, sir, you have to present yourself. Hindi po kami takot sa pulis. Kung may mga ibang pulis po, pulis Davao po, kilala namin, nagpapakilala po. Pulis President Sasa, naka-blue lang po sila na polo shirt, yung friendly po lang na uniform. Doon po, kinakausap po kami. Pero ito po sila, sir, para mapipitbing eh. Wala pong lumalabas sa bibig na, at kami po, nakikiusap po. Nakikiusap na po hindi po kami mga garapalan at nambastos po, General Torre, your chair. Hindi po kami nambastos. Nakiusap, nagtatanong lang po, masiguro lang po namin, kayo ba, bakit kayo nagkagayon, bakit nakapirma tanggalin? Ano ba mga pangalan nyo? Bakit po wala kayong mga nameplate? At bakit po wala mga plate number yung mga sasakyan ninyo? Wala pong sagot. So, kung pagsisinungaling man po, ewan ko na lang po, paano po i-describe ni General Torre yung sinasabi niya?
Anyway, ganito na lang, Nick. We have to find a solution to this situation. Huwag nating pabayaan ito na lumaki ng lumaki. Maliit na bagay na ito. Maliit na bagay ito. Kung tutuusin, nasa diskarte mo yan, nasa the commander on the ground. Tingnan ninyo, yung ganito na may pulis tayo, at the same time, dapat hindi intimidating. Yun lang. At saka kung tinatanong sila ng mga tao, sumagot. Kung ako ang pulis, tanungin ako ng mga taga QJC, sino kay sir? Kung anong tanong, ako, madali na sabihin, relax lang kayo. Hindi nyo ko kalaban, kakampi nyo ko, pulis ako ng Davao. Ito, ang aking patso, 11 RPSB. So pag gano'n ang ginagawa ng mga pulis natin, kakalma yung mga tao doon. Kakalma ang mga tao. Huwag na natin na, alam mo na, mayroon na silang paranoia. Tapos, pakitaan pa natin ng intimidating presence doon. The more na magkakaroon ng distrust yung ating mga kababayan. Basta kayo, can you promise this committee, next time around, makinig lang muna kayo, makinig ka muna, huwag ka muna mag-react. This next time around, kung meron silang information na andyan si Pastor Kibuloy sa loob at mag-serve sila ng warrant of arrest, hindi kayo magre-resist? Tanong ko lang.
Yes, sir.
Tanong ko
Kasi
lang.
ginawa na nila yan ng 4 times.
Hindi nga, makiusap
Yes,
mo,
sir.
proper lang. Sinusunod nila ang
Okay.
procedure,
Opo.
police operational procedure, okay lang kayo.
Okay lang, sir. Ever since po sila, okay na, sobrang okay.
Okay, thank you.
Para
thank you.
wala lang gulo. Ayaw namin ng gulo, sir.
Oo.
Sa totoo lang.
Sino bang gusto ng
Kasi
gulo?
gusto namin mag-normal naman yung buhay, pero hindi siya ngayon.
Oo.
Ito yung video, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, please allow me to take advantage of that commitment, sir. Can I ask the QOJC for the QOJC presentation, sir, for the map?
Map?
Map, sir. The map of the, kasi sa presentation lang kanina, sir, may mapa, sir, eh. Can we pause on that and I'll explain something? Sa technical natin, sir.
Pakiplay nga.
May presentation
Pakiplay
sila,
yung
sir,
map.
eh. Doon sa may mapa, sa may location.
Pakibilis lang, technical, yung location. It's already 2:30, ha? Magbibil na, magre-ring
Aling map
na yung
yung
bill ngayon.
central?
Mag-session tayo.
Aling map po yun?
Yung Kingdom.
Yung
Yung
kingdom
sa
daw.
central?
Yung Kingdom. Yan,
Yung pinakita nyo kanina.
Yan. Sige, yung buong mapa. Yung buong mapa, please. Yan. Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
please pause it. Please pause it on, Mr. Chair, may I ask the technical to address the technical to pause it. I-back po, back ng konti. Yan, dun sa, yan,
Yung mapa na yan.
sa map na yan. Can we have it? There you go.
Okay.
Mr. Chair, that dome that you see is 5 hectares floor area. That's 50,000 square meters. Will they allow us to search all of it and the other adjacent 41 other structures inside the compound? Will they help us?
Excuse me, Mr. Chair, ginawa na nila yan nung June 10. Kahit wala silang search warrant, kasi tumawag na po si PRRD para lang talaga ma-pacify yung event doon, we allowed them. We allowed them to go to Bible school, lahat yun.
Mr. Chair?
Then, dyan sa Kingdom, sa hangar, pati sa school. Sa school mismo, graduation pa naman yun. Inalaw, may mga body cam sila, si IDG. Dapat ilan lang. Ang dami po nila. Sa hangar pati. So, lahat po yon ng lugar, inalaw po namin sila. Kahit wala po silang search warrant, pinayagan po namin sila kasi ayaw rin talaga namin ng gulo.
Okay.
At saka, libre naman po silang
Thank you.
pumasok.
Mr. Chair?
Yes.
The June 10, may I ask may we ask the resource person how many policemen they allowed on June 10 and how long did they allow for the search? Because, Mr. Chair, this is a hide and seek on a 30-hectare property with one of the biggest structures, a 5-hectare dome, with 4 elevator shafts, underground tunnels, underground parking, movable
So, what's your problem?
movable roof with underground passageway going to the hangar, with a hangar that can accommodate 4 helicopters, with can accommodate also 2 planes, with a private taxiway to the Davao City International Airport. That's how big it is, Mr. Chair. And I do believe if they will only allow us, I'll bring in maybe 1,500 people to stay there for a month to search for Mr. Kibuloy there if he doesn't want to surrender, because
Wow.
it could be a challenge. We can reverse it, Mr. Chair. We ask 1 policeman or 5 policemen to hide in there, and they look for that policeman in how many hours? How many people do they need in a 300,000 square meter property, and including that dome that is 50,000 square meter floor area, that is 200 meters wide, sir. So it can seat 77,000 people with its own power, own water system, own waste disposal management system, and not mentioning the school, which is a very, very big school, and the other buildings.
Yung July 10 na,
June 10 po.
June 10 na ginawa ninyo, na-search ba niyo lahat?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. It was a very limited thing, and Mr. Chair, if we can go to YouTube, if you will allow us, search secret doors in YouTube, and we really cannot dismiss that possibility that there will be things like that inside that compound. Therefore, we really need to search it thoroughly, and it cannot be done in 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. I don't think that we can do it with 1,000 people, sir.
Wow.
We really need more time, and to save us all from all these heartaches, I really would like to suggest again for Mr. Kibuloy to just submit himself to the jurisdiction of the court together with his co-accused, because his other co-accused had already done so last March 2024. They have already submitted themselves to the court, and now Pauline Canada is also in the jurisdiction of the court now. So save us from the heartache. Let us all just respect the process that is enshrined in our Constitution, the legal process that says a judge ordering their arrest. So therefore, with Attorney Torion defending him and others, I believe that he will get the justice that he deserves. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, General Torre.
My succinct remark, Your Honor, to the answer rather to the good advertisement campaign being launched by General Torre insofar as the Kingdom is concerned, Your Honor, can be explained by the fact that he was not there on June 10 of 2024. He was not yet the regional director. It was still Regional Director Martinez during that time. So he was not personally present when the policemen, more than 200, I think, Your Honor, were in the compound and they were scattered everywhere. And there was a leading search persons. And when I arrived, Your Honor, it was already in the hangar. Even the rooms in the hangar were even visited during that time. Your Honor.
So you can honestly say that
They searched
it
everywhere.
was thoroughly searched
Yes, Your Honor.
on that very day.
Yes, Your Honor. Even the nooks and crannies of JMC, they also visited.
Obvious. Kung ako naman ang pulis, nakapasok na ako doon, talagang
Oo, lahat
hahanapin
po.
ko talaga
Pati nga
doon.
CR, Your Honor, CR ng doon sa hangar. Pinuntahan, pinakita ko sa ito yung CR ng hangar.
So nandun ka?
Nandun ako, Your Honor.
Oo.
O siya, wala.
So, Your Honor, makdagdag lang ako. Pati
Yes.
cabinet, nagkasya kaya si Pastor sa drawer, cabinets, closet, sa sofa, sa mga boxes, pula lang sa kaldero, kasi hanggang kusina. Lahat, pati siya, inano na nila. Pati yung sa simbahan namin,
Pero
angkat na nila ang carpet.
importante, na-open ang drawer. Wala sila gipunit sa drawer, ha? Wala
Wala,
ginatan.
nalay nabilin sila sa CR.
Ha?
Naglaglag sila og bala.
Sa CR?
Opo.
Isa ra
Bala?
kabuok. Isa ra kabuok.
Isa ra kabuok?
Siguro to.
Siguro nahulog sa sige
Basta
sila
nahulog
search.
ito. Accidental nahulog.
O,
siguro.
ganun sila mag-search.
Wala siguro tayo intention nga magtanim bala. Kasi kung ako magtanim bala, Pastor Kibulo yan eh. Isa ka box akong ibutang diya para
Lahat.
kung mo na magtanim. Pero nalaglag lang siguro yan.
Opo, sir. So, yun lang po para malaman ni General Torre na, yun nga, kusina, drawer, closet, na hindi naman kasya yung tao, yun nga, pati siguro kaldero, wala na lahat na. Tapos yun po ang pumasok. Isang compound lang yan, ha, General. Isang compound pa lang yan. Doon lang yan sa Prayer Mountain na kung saan po kayo nakapunta. Kaya, sige, search. May chopper pa, may drone pa. Yun. Ganun kadami. Isang compound pa lang yan. Sa sa Prayer Mountain lang yan, sir. Ganun. Tapos nagdadala naman uli sila ng 1,500 men. Ano na naman, gera? Ano bang lulusubin nila? So, hindi pa sila tumitigil hanggang ngayon. Hanggang kaninang madaling araw. Lumusob na naman sila. Madaling araw, alas 2 ng madaling araw. Kanina lang.
So I think lahat na nakapagsalita and we will be having another hearing. The date is being determined by the Secretariat yet. But until then, that hearing,